Hello, I'm Françoise Nicolov, a French-Australian clinical psychologist for over 40 years now, and your host for this all-new show, the Conscious Ear Podcast. Hello everyone, I'm Françoise Nicolov from the Conscious Ear Radio Podcast. I'm so happy and have the pleasure to have our new expert today with Rosaria Nithard. And she is a naturopath and nutritionist with over 13 years of experience. She's also a MAPS practitioner, so I guess this will sound a good reference for families with autistic children or special needs children. The MAPS is Medical Academy Pediatrics for Special Needs. Rosaria has also done some studies in genetics with Ben Lynch and Caroline Ledowski, and especially at the level of the MTHFR support. She's worked with them for 3 years, so it has given her lots of experience in terms of the genetics. She is also in Sydney the founder of Pediatric Naturopathy, but she works all over Australia and internationally as well. So Rosaria, thank you very much for being with us today. What's your mission?
Well, thank you so much, Françoise, for having me here today. Well, my mission is really that of sharing information and raise awareness about natural solutions. What can we do in a natural way for children that have been diagnosed on the spectrum, especially children that have been recently diagnosed on the spectrum, because I think that early intervention is really paramount.
Yes.
And so the sooner we start treatments, the better it is.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. So, Françoise, I believe there are a lot of things that can be done. There are quite a lot of options that we can do through naturopathy, nutrition, and of course, all other beautiful therapies. And so this is my message. I have a message of hope for parents that, they are struggling with a child on the spectrum. And maybe they're confused, of course, they're overwhelmed. They don't know what to do.
Yeah, and so how naturopathy can help those children on the spectrum?
Oh, thank you, Françoise. That's a really good question. So how can we help? How can I help? Well, naturopathy has a look at the child as a whole, as a holistic being. So it's not just nutrition. Naturopathy, the way it is, the way we work nowadays as naturopath, is in a very integrative way. So we need to have a look at the biochemistry, the genetics, epigenetics, so it means how the genes are expressing. The biochemistry is essential, especially when we're talking about testing, right? So because we need to know where the child is at, okay? We need to have a baseline. So guesswork is not possible for us,
No,
you know?
Absolutely not, yeah.
So we need to understand, okay, what is happening? And even though quite a lot of children on the spectrum may have similar presentations, right? But every child is unique. So we need to understand what is happening within this child. So my first recommendation for parents is testing. So, and there are specific tests that I recommend. Of course, blood tests are good, very good, but also stool tests, organic acid tests, hair mineral analysis test for toxic metals. So they're quite the list can be long and sometimes it is expensive, but it is all worth it.
And overwhelming. So you speak about the organic acid test. Can you explain us what it is and what the outcomes are from this test?
Sure. Well, the organic acid test is actually a really easy test to do because, you just need a urine collection. Just 10 mils, and so for children that are already sensitive and they don't want to do blood tests, I think this is the first thing to do. It's a really good screening tool. So it gives us a lot of information about bacterial, fungal, presence or imbalances, vitamins, minerals, oxidative stress, neurotransmitter imbalance. So a lot of information.
Wow, that's impressive.
That's impressive. I know it's really a great test. I love it.
So from there, when you have this organic acid test, what can you do from there?
Well, from there we start, putting into place nutrients, supplementation, of course, the diet as well. So the first thing we look at is actually, presence of yeast and Clostridia, so the bacteria Clostridia, because they will affect everything else, especially all the other results. Most of the other results on the test actually are connected to presence of yeast and Clostridia.
So you are talking about
Candida.
The health of the gut.
Yes, yeah. Basically, we're talking about digestion, and sometimes these children may present with some sort of gut imbalances, like symptoms. I'm talking about diarrhea, constipation, pain, some more than others. So that's why it is really paramount to test, because we need to understand, okay, where are the main issues? Where are the main problems? So absolutely, it's really, really important to test.
So if you had one test to recommend to parents initially who are a bit overwhelmed with a child not being able to go through a blood test or something more invasive, this is the test that you will recommend, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, number one test that I recommend to all of my parents, all of my children. Yeah, absolutely.
And these tests can be done also for adults?
Oh yes, of course, because it is a great test, especially for people that have, that suffer from chronic conditions like chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, chronic headaches. It is a really great test to do. So absolutely, also for adults.
And so it's a collection of urine, and then what happens? So from there, who can perform that?
Well, the test can be ordered through a naturopath or a doctor, like an integrated doctor. Yeah, and then basically it's all organized through another company here in Australia that sends the samples to the States, and then we get the results about 3 to 4 weeks later.
Okay.
And then we go from there. So.
And then from there you can design a program that's going to help to rebalance that body which is not working as it should.
Yes.
So Rosaria, how can people contact you if they want to know more? I know that you start to develop your presence on Facebook, which is fantastic, and you've created a support group in terms of with autism to give more solutions or more natural ways of helping those families with children in the spectrum. So where can people find you?
Well, people can contact me through my website, which is www.pediatricnaturopathy.com.au, and pediatric is written PE, or on Facebook as well, or on Instagram as well. And yes, I offer basically parents that are interested to work with me, a bit of a program, because I think it is essential to know where to start, what to do, and to have the professional ongoing support that will help them, to go from where they are to a better place.
Yeah, so, you have a team around you?
Yes, absolutely. I work with a team of experts, other nutritionists and health coaches and other practitioners, and we all work together within this program so that we can help parents along the journey. So it's as I call it, it's a bit of a fast track program. So the sooner we start, the better it is. And then, of course, we go from there. So there's a beginning, and there's a maintenance program and things like that. But it's it is an absolute pleasure, and I'm very grateful that I can help some families along this journey.
Fantastic. So your website again, pediatric naturopathy.
pediatricnaturopathy.com.au.
And so if they want to contact you, they can. And you work around Australia as well as internationally.
Yes, I work in Australia. I do a lot of Skype consultations so that I don't have to see, physically the patients. So we use Skype, and I also work internationally because, as you do, I speak French as well.
Yeah,
and Italian. Also Italian. Yes,
and Italian. So Europe can welcome you as well as Australia and English-speaking countries. So that's fantastic, and that's the beauty of this world with technology now. We have access to the whole world, and when we speak several languages, that's where we can even help more people. Thank you so much, Rosaria, for taking the time to do this interview, and hopefully we'll be able to speak to you again later with some other news that you might be able to be wanting to share with us.
Thank you so much, Françoise, for having me here today. It's been my pleasure.
Pleasure too. This is once again Françoise Nikolov, your guide to wellness and better life. Talk to you soon.